Tragedy in the skies. Deadly midair collision over Washington, D.C. A devastating mid-air collision between an American Airlines jet and a military Black Hawk helicopter has claimed dozens of lives. Tonight, search and rescue efforts have turned to recovery as officials confirm no survivors are expected. If confirmed, this could be the deadliest U.S. air crash in 24 years. A look at the wreckage in the icy waters of the Potomac, where emergency crews have been working tirelessly. So far, dozens of bodies have been recovered in the hours following this shocking disaster. The American Airlines jet was carrying 60 passengers and 4 crew members. It had just departed from Wichita, Kansas, and was minutes away from landing at Ronald Reagan National Airport when disaster struck. Among those on board, U.S. figure skaters, their coaches and family members, returning home from a training camp following the U.S. Figure Skating Championships. The military Black Hawk helicopter involved in the collision was on a routine training flight with 3 soldiers on board. Officials say the crew was experienced and equipped with night vision goggles following standard flight procedures. Tragic plane collision, investigating the causes and aftermath. The cause of this disaster is still under investigation, but President Trump and his administration say it could have been prevented. The night was cold but clear. Visibility was near perfect. The American Airlines plane had all its landing lights on. Officials suggest a tragic series of missteps led to this catastrophe. In the aftermath, Reagan National Airport was temporarily shut down but has since reopened. Investigators are now piecing together the final moments before impact, searching for answers and accountability. We'll continue to follow this developing story as new details emerge. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Our thoughts are with the families affected by this heartbreaking tragedy.